So, Mr. Electrician again. Freaking fucking stuff up again, piece of shit. Here's another one. So, AH is my air handler. Air handlers and circuit boards and communications on my systems do not share anything with anything. And here's my my wire saying AH air handler, okay, for my air handler circuit breaker on a VFD system, on VRF system on the big LG multi-split. So apparently the electrician needed some circuit breakers or needed to move stuff around. I don't know what he did. I could see these are all his tags he put on here. But then there's this one other tag. Now this was something I put in several months ago, and it was on a circuit breaker that was somewhere over here, but it got moved because I guess something needed to be put in. But what he did was he disconnected. This was originally, I think it was for a pump or for controls. I can't remember what it was, but I put it in months ago, and it was dedicated just one external line. And I guess he disconnected it from wherever it was connected, moved stuff around, and he double lugged it. He actually put it in the same slot. He's sharing two lines, and these are little guys. I wonder if they're loose. Okay, so he double piggybacked off of one circuit breaker. It's a motor. It's actually a pump, a water pump. It's a 10 amp pump, and this is a 20 amp breaker. Has a 10 amp pump, but it's also sharing with an air handler. Two air handlers. So we got two air handlers that draw almost 6 amps a piece. So there's 12. We have an inductive hard start that has an in current of a 10 amp. So you could have two air handlers running, already drawing power, and then you kick in a water pump that's gonna start under a heavy load, all on one unit. That is stupid. That's a freaking janitor or a freaking garbage takeout guy who was hired as an electrician to do this kind of shit. And yeah, but I went and got a circuit breaker. We'll put it in here. And these are not residential, these are commercial circuit breakers. These are the ones that you actually have to screw in and bolt in. So you're not going down to your Lowe's or Home Depot or your big box store for this. So I just came from the electrical supply warehouse. Got a real circuit breaker here. Take care of this mess. And hopefully that takes care of, we just blew some breaker on another air handler because this shit was done. All right, catch you guys later. I'll fix this. Wait a minute, I'm just a mechanic who changes oil and filters and rotates tire. Why am I in here on this 3-phase 208 circuit? I'm not qualified. All right, see you guys later.